No website? No problem. I'm Zorana and I'm here to show you how easy it is to set up a beautiful and fully functioning booking page for your business with Trafft. Sign up for free on our website and let's start designing the perfect online booking experience for your customers. First, let's create an account. Start by choosing the category which best suits you, or click on Other and enter the name of your industry. Trafft will create example employees and services suitable for your business. Next, fill in your company name. Trafft will automatically generate your unique booking page address, which you can share with your clients and customers. In the final step of creating your account, choose the design for your booking page. Don't worry, I'll soon show you how you can switch to another theme later and customize your booking page the way you want. Voila! Your account is set, and you are now ready to add your services, employees, and locations, activate features, or integrate your account with other apps or platforms you're using. For this video, we are going to use the example of employees and services Trafft has already created. You can learn more about setting employees and services in our other tutorials, linked in the description. Your booking website is already live and you can check it out here. On the first page, your customers can see all the services that you offer with their pictures, names, descriptions, extras, duration, and capacity. Okay, looking good. Now let's go back and click the customization button to see how you can spice it up and adjust the design to fit your branding. Under the General tab, you'll first find the code snippet in case you have a website and want to embed a booking form there. You can adjust various functionalities to make the booking page fit the specific needs of your business. Start by setting up your booking form settings. Check this box if you want your customers to see the busy slots when booking their appointment. If you want to appear busier, you can also enable the Look Busy option. This can be convenient if you are just starting with your business and you don't have many appointments booked yet. Enter the percentage of slots that you want to show as booked and choose the part of the day from which the time slots will be shown as booked. If you want your clients to view and book appointments in their time zone, enable the Show Time Zone option. Moving on to the account settings. Here you should decide whether your customers need to log in to book appointments or can schedule their slots as guests. Finally, under the employee selection settings, you can allow your clients to choose an employee for the service they're booking. If this option is enabled, but your customers don't want to choose an employee, they will be able to select any employee option. In that case, Trafft will automatically assign the employee. Depending on the selection logic you choose here, the appointment will be assigned to the employee with the lowest or highest price, the least busy staff member, or according to the round-robin logic, in equal portions and circular order without priority. If you check the Hide Any Employee option, customers will have to select which employee they want to book an appointment with. If you don't want them to be able to choose an employee in the first place, you can hide employee selection. So far, so good. Remember, you can always check your progress while adjusting the settings by clicking the Go to Website button. And don't forget to save your changes along the way. Now, let's make that booking page stand out. Under the Look and Feel tab, set the order of steps in your booking form. Use drag and drop to arrange them to match your needs. Next, choose the theme you like and adjust the color, font, and background pattern. Since I'm making a booking page for dental services, I'm gonna go with something bright and clean, like this. The photos illustrating your services can appear small or large. I'll pick large ones this time. You can upload an image for every service you provide when setting up your services. If you need help, check out the tutorial for setting up services. Both free and paid plans allow you to upload your logo under website settings. In case you have a Pro or Expert license, here you can also set 3 additional options. Edit page title, set your favicon, and exclude the Made with Trafft mark from the bottom of your booking page. When your clients successfully book an appointment, they'll be redirected to the thank you page. Here you can customize it. Simply set up your heading and short description and upload the illustration. Okay, we are almost there. With a few more clicks, you'll finish customizing your booking page and you can start accepting appointments. Under the Language tab, you'll see that the default language is English. If you decide to change it, don't forget to also rewrite notifications to the desired language, since they will not be translated automatically. You can rename your labels or leave these boxes empty to use the default ones. In the final steps of the booking process, your customers will need to fill in general information, such as name, address, and phone number. If you want to collect additional information from your clients, you can add custom fields. For example, I want to know if a patient who is booking an appointment has any allergies. So I am going to add a checkbox and edit the question for my patients under label and give them the option to click yes or no. I will click here to make this step mandatory. You can also add a text area, a radio button, and a few more types of custom fields listed here. If you are going to embed the booking page to your website, here you have the option to further customize it by adding a custom CSS or JS code. Now that we have successfully customized our booking page, let's see what the booking process will look like for our customers based on the changes we have made. Okay, so here I am on the step 1, choosing the services. Booking as a guest. Step 2, choosing the time. And the final step, entering the information. The customer has successfully booked an appointment, which we can see here under the Appointments tab. These were all the options you have to set up and customize your booking page with Trafft. You can now share a link for your booking page with your customers and let them pick their slot. Trafft also lets you share a booking form for the precise service, employee, and location. Find this option under Appointments, Share Booking Form. Set service, employee, and location, and choose the date range which you want to offer to your customer. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. And if you prefer written instructions, check the guides and documentation on our website. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our customer support team. Thank you for watching.